welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of face cream. This is retinol and vitamin E, just brand new cream, and this is also very lightweight. It's not too heavy, not too greasy. This is retinol and vitamin E daytime face cream. This also hydrating and brightening cream with hyaluronic acids. It has vitamin A, which protect our skin from anti-aging. It has vitamin A. It also control oily skin and also help to prevent sign of aging. This vitamin A, one of treatment for acne. Vitamin E help to protect our skin from sun damage or any environmental damage, and it keep skin always hydrate and moisturized, and it can help reduce acne scars. Retinol and vitamin E both work together as a powerful, strong moisturizer. Apply twice in the daytime and massage gently. And this cream is good for all type of skin, oily, dry, or normal skin.